The Hisense 65-inch class QD7 is making waves in the mid-range TV market, promising premium features at a competitive price. Whether you're an avid movie watcher, a gaming enthusiast, or someone looking for a vibrant upgrade for your living room, this model brings QLED technology, excellent color reproduction, and smart features that cater to diverse needs. But how does it really perform in real-world usage? Let's dive into the details. Performance and accuracy. The Hisense QD7 boasts a quantum dot layer, enhancing color accuracy and vibrancy. Its wide color gamut makes HDR content pop with rich and realistic visuals. The TV supports Dolby Vision, HDR10+, and HLG, ensuring compatibility with most high-quality streaming content. For gamers, the QD7 includes a Game Mode Pro with a variable refresh rate (VRR) and auto low latency mode (ALLM), ensuring smooth gameplay with minimal lag. The native 120Hz panel delivers impressive motion handling, perfect for fast-paced action scenes or sports broadcasts. While its brightness levels are adequate for most environments, it may struggle in extremely bright rooms compared to high-end competitors. However, the local dimming feature offers solid contrast performance, making dark scenes more immersive. Design. Hisense has kept things sleek and modern with the QD7. The thin bezels give it a premium look, and the metal stand offers solid support. At just under an inch thick, it's a great choice for wall mounting, blending seamlessly into most living spaces. The rear panel includes easy-to-access ports for HDMI 2.1, USB, Ethernet, and audio connections. Although the design is attractive, the build materials lean toward durable plastic, which feels less premium than some flagship models from Samsung or LG. Ease of use. Navigating the Hisense QD7 is straightforward, thanks to its integration with Google TV. The interface is intuitive, offering personalized recommendations based on viewing habits. With access to popular streaming platforms like Netflix, YouTube, and Prime Video, you'll never run out of content. The included remote features voice control, enabling quick searches and hands-free operation via Google Assistant. Setting up the TV is user-friendly, even for tech novices, with a step-by-step guide that ensures you're up and running in minutes. Comparing with competitors. In its price range, the Hisense QD7 competes with models like the Samsung Q70C and TCL 6 series. While Samsung edges out in terms of brightness and build quality, the Hisense matches or surpasses it in color accuracy and HDR performance. Compared to TCL, the QD7 offers similar features, but often at a slightly lower price, making it a value-oriented choice. For gaming, the QD7 holds its ground against pricier models with VRR and ALLM support, though it may not achieve the peak brightness of higher-tier models. Potential drawbacks. Peak brightness. While sufficient for most, it can fall short in very bright environments or against pricier OLED and flagship QLED models. Viewing angles. The VA panel struggles with off-axis viewing, making colors and contrast less vibrant when viewed from the sides. Build materials. The plastic-heavy build may not feel as premium as other TVs in the same segment. Hisense 65-inch class QD7 pros and cons. Pros: excellent color and HDR, vibrant colors, accurate representation, strong HDR performance. Smart features: Google TV integration, voice control, user-friendly interface. Cons: limited peak brightness, may struggle in very bright rooms. Viewing angles: off-axis viewing can diminish color and contrast. Frequently asked questions: does the Hisense QD7 support gaming consoles like PS5 or Xbox Series X? Absolutely. With HDMI 2.1, VRR, and a 120Hz panel, it's a solid choice for next-gen gaming. How does the QD7 handle streaming apps? The Google TV platform ensures seamless access to popular streaming services with smooth performance and easy navigation.